Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where innovation meets the road and dreams turn into reality. Today we dive into a masterpiece that redefines what it means to travel in comfort and style. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Futuristic Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling luxury villa designed to bring the future of mobility straight into your hands. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the bold design commands attention with a sculpted aerodynamic body, a wide stance, futuristic LED lighting signatures, and chrome accents that add a sense of elegance and dominance. GMC has truly blended the rugged durability of a van with the sophistication of a luxury residence on wheels. Step inside and you are immediately transported to a world of premium craftsmanship and advanced technology. The cabin feels more like a private jet lounge with plush leather seating, ambient mood lighting, panoramic smart glass windows, and high-end wood and aluminum trims. Every corner speaks of luxury, every detail feels futuristic, and every moment inside makes you realize this motorhome is designed for those who want nothing but the best. The living area offers an open concept layout with smart, foldable furniture that adapts to your needs. A touchscreen control panel lets you adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment seamlessly, while AI-powered assistance makes the entire experience intuitive and effortless. The kitchen is a marvel of compact luxury, with induction cooktops, a hidden refrigerator, premium cabinetry, and even a smart oven that can be controlled from your smartphone. The bedroom offers a true sanctuary with a memory foam queen bed, concealed storage, privacy shades, and integrated sound systems for ultimate relaxation. Even the bathroom pushes boundaries with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and eco-friendly water management technology. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric powertrain, combining a robust V6 with advanced battery systems delivering both efficiency and raw strength to tackle long journeys. The driving experience is enhanced with adaptive suspension, autonomous driving features, and 360-degree camera views, making this massive vehicle surprisingly easy to handle. GMC has built a vehicle that not only embraces sustainability, but also keeps performance and luxury in perfect balance. The verdict is clear. This futuristic motorhome is more than just transport. It's a statement of living large, traveling far, and embracing the future today. If you're ready to see travel from a whole new perspective, the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Futuristic Motorhome delivers beyond imagination. This is Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more groundbreaking automotive experiences.